from the nap and it's like raining like hell right now. And I've got a pimple on my nose. It's so irritating when you get pimple on such positions, and I cannot sleep also right now because it's like making so much of noise and it's like getting cold now, so I won't be sleeping now. I spent whole day editing and like taking care of my mama because her pain is like, you know, the tooth pain what it feels like. So yeah, I don't have anything to do right now, and my dad ended up forgetting the coffee which I told him to bring. So yeah, we'll study for like 15 to 20 minutes and we'll have something like egg sandwich and all. If you don't want to know like how do I make my egg sandwich, just let me know. I have like tremendous amount of recipes on egg. Just order some grocery. I'll show you guys what I've brought. I've ordered this nachos in peri peri flavor, and I have got this energy drinks and one in this flavor. This is like little stronger than that. And I got this peanut butter jar. It is having some chocolate crunch and peanut crunch in that. And this kurkure puffs, since it's baked. I don't have much of this because I don't like the flavor. Okay. And I've got this noodles. I love the flavor of this. And I've gotten another nachos in the flavor of mango chili flakes. Like, I want to try this. I have this mango drinks. I haven't tried it, but I've tried the lychee flavor from this. It's like very nice. And yeah, that's it. So I have cooked some rice and dal for dinner today, since my mom can't eat like much of solid food right now. So I have to cook for her also.
Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? Is what
About to sleep, but like mom is craving something sweet today and then something cold, so I have just placed an order for like ice cream and milkshake, and I'm putting this retinol cream. It will really help my like dark spots to like reduce. So I don't apply it on a daily basis, just in 2 days once or like alternative days. I just got the order. I have ordered this ice cream I wanted to try for a very long time. The shape and the color of it is very tempting. It has layers of like white and pink chocolate. I mean ice cream. It has like white and pink layer of ice creams. It has like strawberry and vanilla flavor. I guess this chocolate is very strong, so you can't really taste the sweet part of strawberry, but it's good. It's flying. Stupid ass. So yeah, I'm done with my like shower and all, and I'm wearing this cute Disney outfit with like Christmas pants, if you can see this one. And I don't know what to make for breakfast. I'm thinking to have something in noodles or something, or maybe thinking to have like noodles, or maybe I'll make pasta because I don't have bread. I was thinking to make peanut butter and bread to eat for breakfast, but let's see. And I don't have any work today, so I probably will spend my whole time studying. My hair have become so dry. I'll oil them first. Right now I'm making some chicken soup. I just got the chicken. It's in marination with garlic paste, and I'll show you what I do next. Dry roasted curry. Cannot say curry, but it's like kind of a dry chicken. It's so funny about me, like when I put like oil my hair, I don't like to go out. Like, and mostly all my friends are like will go on a cafe or will go on a hangout, long drive. But when I have like done oiling my hair, I don't usually go out of my room also. I love to like pamper myself with that because my hair have like fallen so much lately because of stress maybe. And usually when I was like working in the last organization, I used to travel a lot, and because of that my hair fall was like crazy. My dad was like, "Are you okay?" Because after the shower I used to see like the hair fall. You can also see right now it's like crazy. So I'm gonna make that oil which I make every time. That onion and rosemary leaves. I was craving for some chocolate, so I got some 3 to 4 bars of chocolate. And for dinner, I'm gonna have the same leftover chicken and rice. So, yeah. So it's currently like 19:09 right now, and it's getting dark already. I'm done with my maths solving and all, and I'll just heat the dinner up and I'll have, because I don't have to cook anything right now, and probably I'll go for a shower because I can't sleep with this oily hair. I don't like to have that weight around my hair at night, so I'll probably go for a shower. Before that I'll have dinner, and then I mostly have like 2 to 3 hours to study more, so I'll probably start with chemistry or something interesting that would not make me sleepy, or I'll work on some projects. So yeah, today was very like kind of a busy thing. When you're cooking like a whole meal, your half of time goes in that. And yeah, then I have to like do some journaling since I have not done it from morning. I forgot in the morning because I feel that when I get up late in the morning, like after 6, I don't feel like doing any like hot water journaling thing, because I think I'm already non-productive. It's a bad habit, I know, but we will get into that. but since my afternoon schedule was very like productive, so I'll do the gratitude journal and to see your problem getting solved. Most of the time we have colleges issues, assignment issues. Sometimes we don't understand. Just make an affirmation that I'm understanding everything that has been taught is sticking to me. And like, money is magnet, I'm the magnet, every good thing attracts to me and all. And I have kept my vision board in front of me to like look at that and manifest everything. The best thing is that sometimes like you have to leave some things, because if you're manifesting something and some things are not in your destination, there is much more things in your destination, so you have to let it go. Like everything happens for a good reason. So yeah, with this gratitude I'll end my day, and probably I'll try to get up early tomorrow. There is a bee on this net. Oh my god. So yesterday I was in bed my whole day because I got my periods, and I didn't even got up for like 5 minutes. I was with my hot bag watching some series and movies and vlogs. So today I'm feeling a little bit better. So I'm going out for like having to eat some fast food or maybe something sweet, some cake or something to like feel better. And I'm wearing this Disney top which is like very cute, and I've never worn this color before. It has its full sleeves and I'm wearing flat bottom beneath. So yeah, the weather here is like very humid at afternoon and very cold at evening. So currently it's like very hot. I'll tie my hair up and I'll have some snacks or maybe something in pav bhaji or maybe something Indian snacks. Look at her. She's just got up from her sleep. आता pause करा नाही तर दाखव. So out of nowhere I have just decided to like tidy up the kitchen because it's all messed up and my mom is not here. She is down drawing some rangoli art for like some event kind of thing. So I'll just tidy up. I have done the utensils and the kitchen is like little bit messed up, so I'll do that. My brother is planting something and he's gonna look after the gallery, and yeah, it's like all messed up, so I'll do that. And after that I'm done with my lunch and all. I didn't shoot the pasta recipe because it already has on my page like a lot of times. Like I eat that only, so it's like not a new kind of thing. If I'll cook something new, I'll definitely show you guys. So yeah, let's tidy up the kitchen. By watching my favorite YouTubers, but I never end up doing it because I'm a procrastinator. I think that out of choice, and with help of vlogs for you guys to show how my day looks like, I'm really getting into that routine. I'm very happy for that, and it's like when people are like watching us, we give our best selves to everyone. So I do motivate. And it's like very motivating to like give someone a routine that we don't used to follow, we never used to follow. And Yeah. So right now I'm done. So right now I'm done with the kitchen stuff. I have make it all clean and clear. I need to arrange my refrigerator. I will show you guys how I arrange. I have not purchased any groceries and all right now because we have really stopped using some vegetables because it's a rainy season. It's like very my mother tells me like we should not have any vegetables in this season, so we are on chicken and eggs, so there is not much to arrange, but whatever stuffs are there I'm gonna arrange that. It was not in my to-do list, but it was in my what we call that, things to like, you should make a habit of that. It was in my list of that you should be able to make a routine of a Saturday reset or a Sunday reset. So yeah, I'm very happy that I'm able to do that. And yeah, I have the refrigerator to clean up, my kitchen is done, and I have clothes to dry off, and I need to clean my hall. So I'll show you guys quickly that, and then after that I have the entire evening for studies and all, so we'll sit for studies after that.